Okay, so a lot of changes have happened to Ashinga Space, a lot of exciting new changes that have taken place in the past week. So today I'm just going to give you a quick update on those changes that happened to Ashinga Space or that have already taken place and how you can make the most ASIMI from that. So as you can see, I'm just before I log in. Actually, okay, I just logged in, but this page, you can also see it before you log in. So if you come to statistics, this is where you can easily see the price of the token. A quick reminder, Ashinga Space, it uses ASIMI token as its main currency. You can also transact using Bitcoin on their currencies, and recently I noticed that you can actually use your credit card as well to buy some of the ads that are available. So ASIMI token the price is determined by the volume. What I mean by that is by the amount of people who are buying and selling it. So basically, us as a community of Ashinga Space determine the price of Ashinga Space of ASIMI token. When you sell your ASIMI tokens and you want somebody to buy, you set the price yourself, right, on the exchange, on the DEX exchange, which is the only exchange that we're using right now to trade ASIMI tokens for either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Waves token and other different cryptocurrencies that you can trade ASIMI tokens for, right? So basically, as Bitcoin goes up, the value of the token should also go up, right? That's basically how it works. It's like kind of synchronized together. Even when Bitcoin drops in the prices, and then the ASIMI price will also increase somehow. It just has to increase because it is determined by the Bitcoin price. So I can't get into like deep details on that, but I just want you to know when there's a fluctuation in price on the Bitcoin, it also affects ASIMI token as well as its USD price. As you can see, once you get to the statistics page, there's the easiest way to check out for how much ASIMI token is actually worth on the platform itself rather than on other exchanges, because remember, you need to be able to withdraw from this platform when your ASIMI token is worth $50. So it's whatever you get in your account times 0.04. That's the amount of US dollars. That's the amount in US dollars that your ASIMI tokens are worth. So anyways, getting this video, as I said, we are going to be talking about the updates that are happening with Ashinga Space. So when you log in, this is still ongoing. When you log in, you get paid for viewing this 50 seconds ad, 15 seconds ad. Every time you log in, and then you get paid at the end of the day. So this is the login stake, where you basically set it up and then you get a portion of that 860 something ASIMI tokens that are distributed per day to everyone who has a part of a stake in the login stake, right? So if you set up your login stake, you get paid for this, but I just wanted to update you on that also, because I removed my stake just I think about 5-7 days ago. So basically, as you can see, I'm at 800 ASIMI tokens, and then I have 0 pre-launch balance as well as my login stake. I haven't staked anything yet because I wanted to make a withdrawal video, but then I missed the part when ASIMI token actually went all the way to 7 cents. It went to just above 7 cents, so it went double this amount in a couple of hours. So this just shows you the potential of ASIMI token, how fast it can actually just rapidly grow back to where the price used to be, at least above 50 cents or at least above $1, even though it was way above 25 US dollars at some point. So I just wanted to show you that growth of an ASIMI token, as I say, if you get your ASIMI tokens, keep holding them, because anytime the price can go up and you will be able to transact your ASIMI tokens into a lot of money. So let's just keep holding until the price hits at least 50 cents. That's when I recommend you guys start selling. And then when you start selling, just keep in mind that this is a community of other people. You know, we don't want to sell our $50 worth of ASIMI and then just drag the whole community down again back to the ASIMI token being below 50 cents. So what I recommend is that when you are selling your ASIMI tokens, you don't offer anything less than 50 cents. You don't offer it at a price less than 50 cents. Whatever the transaction will be, or whatever that equivalent will be in ASIMI tokens. But let's just all try to sell our ASIMI tokens above 50 cents. That way we can keep pushing the price of ASIMI token to the highest that it can go, right? Because we really want this community to keep going higher and higher so that we continue to enjoy the best part of hashing space, right? Okay, so as you can see, I've been playing around with the advertising. I actually got 993 visits or views to my website. So this, as you know, hashing space offers a high quality converting audience when it comes to the marketing, affiliate marketing and make money online type of niches, right? So if you got great products or you know of a place where you can get great products to be an affiliate for, so to basically be a middleman where you get a cut when you refer somebody to actually purchase that product, then this is a great place to actually make the most money with that, as others are actually doing. As you can see, there have been testimonials on this again and again of how people are actually doing this, and I even shared my own testimonial of how I made 3 sales using hashing space promoting an affiliate product where I was getting a 50% commission via JVZoo. So you can also check that out on the hashing space playlist. I'm pretty sure you can go and you'll find out those videos quite interesting, because that's quite a better way to make money with hashing space in the front end, you know, instead of waiting for a long time to be able to sell your ASIMI token. So in the meantime, you can actually use partial of your ASIMI tokens to advertise and make some sales, right? Which is another great way to use hashing space. So anyways, if I can show you my earnings before we actually get to the updates. So if I open this in a new tab and then we just go back to our earnings. So this is my this is my wallet right here. So this is my wallet. As you can see, I've got around 800 ASIMI tokens in my account, right? So I just want to show you that right now, viewing all ads or hashing space, because it is now in decrease all the way to so right now, okay, let's just start with the updates. So with the updates, hashing space now with the view to earn, no longer can you view all 50 ads anymore. You can only view a maximum of 10 ads. So that's basically the new update right here. What this video is basically about. So you can only view 10 ads, which is making me around. It depends on the day and the time when you get those ads, right? But this is basically what I'm able to generate from viewing 10 ads, basically per day right now. So you still get an entry into the ASIMI stake to win up to 80 ASIMI tokens. As you can see, people are still winning right here. 80 ASIMI, 40 ASIMI, 10 ASIMI for the list, and then we still have a stake winner, which is this. This is great. So you can also get a stake if you get in the draw for a stake if you view all 5 premium ads, which are pretty much quite hard right now to find unlimited, I would say, because there was a glitch there whereby people were getting views for free. As you know, hashing space quality views, they're really up there. So there's this top quality niche-based advertising platform. So people were finding ways to break it through it because they just saw the power of hashing space, right? So they were getting away with free views, but that's finally fixed, and that will help ASIMI token go higher because there will be more demand for the ASIMI tokens, more than supply, right? So that's another great thing to look out for, ASIMI tokens going higher. As you can see right now, I've viewed all 10. I couldn't view the 5 because every time I log in, I don't really actually find any premium ads. I have found some before, but I mean, it's not every time that you log in you'll find those premium ads because, as I said, now they're quite limited, right? So I just want to show you the transition from just a couple of months ago, or a couple of weeks ago actually, to what I'm earning right now. So as you can see, this is 0.07 for viewing 7 ads, right? But that's down from something like this. When was this? September 26th. And then today, this actually for today, view to earn, this is October 13th. So that's about, I'll say about 15 days, less than 20 days. 20 days later, that's what I'm making. But 20 days ago, this is what I was able to generate from viewing ads. 6.6 ASIMI tokens every single day. So those who took this opportunity and made the most ASIMI tokens, congratulations to you all. But for those who were not part of it or were not able to view all 50 ads, I just want to say don't be discouraged about it. As long as you guys still earn your ASIMI tokens right now, that is the most important part. As you can see, I've been earning ASIMI tokens every single day. So the login stake, as I said, I don't have one right now, but I'm going to be going back in, because that's actually just being paid for logging in, which is pretty much great, right? So as you can see, I'm gonna go back in. The reason why I took it out was because I wanted to do a live withdrawal video when the price shoot up all the way to 2 times what it was generally. So that's why I took it out. But now I think I'm going to have to go back in, and then for another 30 days. And then hopefully after that 30 days, I'll be able to do a live withdrawal with proof for you guys straight online. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications so that you don't miss that video when I release it. But anyways, as you can see, so that's basically the updates. You can now view just up to 15 ads in total per day, but it still gets your entries into the draw so that you can actually win up to 80 ASIMI tokens or 1 login stake or the stake, which is pretty much great, right? So you can still earn from winning, you can still earn for your ASIMI token from viewing ads. It's just that it's now limited and it's not as much as it used to be. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button down below. We also have a Telegram group where you can join our community, where there's been a lot of the sharing about different ways to make a cryptocurrency. So if you're not part of it right now, I'm telling you, you're really missing out. So check out the link down below for the Telegram group and join, so that you also find ways of making cryptocurrencies online. So very soon you'll find a link to my website that I've been creating, so where I'll be able to share with you all the ways that I share here on this video, on this YouTube channel, so that you just get in one place, right? So that you choose what you want to start with, what you want to focus on. So that will just make it easier for everyone to be able to choose what part of this channel they're actually interested in. So be sure to check that out later. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and don't miss that update as well. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.